Morning geocachers, I hope you're well. I'm out and about in York this morning and I'm doing a few caches to pass the time during the lockdown. And the one I'm heading to now is called WREN, and it's part of a series along the cycle path of York. Now, if you look back through my other geocache videos, you'll see I've done a few of these already because they're all named after birds, so they're easy to spot. I believe the one I'm actually going to look for today is the end of the cycle path line. So I'm just going through the back streets. I've literally just done one called St Anthony's, St Anthony's Hall. As I say, I'm just heading through the back streets where it's a bit quieter. This is one of the halls in York. This is the Merchant Taylor's Hall. At the back of there, you can just see the city walls, roughly centre screen now. My original plan this morning was to do a series along the city walls, however, because it's frosty, they're not open, because some of the walls are very open in spaces and it's a bit dangerous in case you slip and fall off. So the app is saying I'm about 1.3 kilometres away, and I think I'll take you through some of the more quieter back routes of York. So this is called Oglethorpe or Oglethorpe. As you can see, a bit frosty. Coming up on the left here, you can see one of the old, I call them jutty outy toppy buildings. It's hard to believe that people used to throw all their effluent out of those windows into the streets. Oh, how we've changed. So this is Chapter House Street, and up ahead, look at that. What a view. York Minster. How cool is that? This is Minster Yard. It's all very quiet at the moment. And here we have the area where the stonemasons are doing reparation work on the Minster. This is Petergate, or Low Petergate, or High Petergate. It's one of the Petergates in York. Another one of the narrow streets that leads to one of the Roman gates, Bootham Bar. So across there, there's the art gallery. That's Bootham. And what I'm going to do is head straight down Wigginton Road, because that's where the cycle path comes out. So it's saying I'm about 1.2 kilometres to go. That's City of York Hospital. I wonder who Manuka Honey is and what makes her so good at saving lives. Getting close, less than 300 metres. We're nearly there. And a nice little tubular cache. Well, let's see what's inside. It looks like there's a dry log. Yay, it is dry. Nice. I hope you enjoyed this. I'll try finding that one. And if you do like it, if you like it, you let me down to you. If you subscribe, subscribe to the channel, then when you go to YouTube you just get a notification on YouTube to say that I've uploaded more videos. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, for clicking on this video, and I'll see you soon.